Hello friends, today I will show you how to use the Google Translator with your camera. Yes, you can use your camera to translate any written text. So simply click on Google Translate, go to the camera option. It will show you optimizing. Then you have to aim at the text which you want to translate, and as you can see, the camera has already started translating the text. You can see the text right here. That's the instant translation. But in case you want to scan any particular text or any particular text area, then you have to click on scan. After a thorough scanning, it will highlight some text on the screen. Now you have to select the text which you want to translate. Here I've selected the second option, which is in French. So after selecting this, it shows me the French option as well as the English translation. That's how you can translate any written text in English or any other language available on Google Translate. That's all for today. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.